Want to know how to uninstall extensions in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, what you can do is you can just simply open up Cursor AI on your web browser and make sure you have it installed. So we have also created a video on how to install Cursor AI, so make sure to watch that. So once you've done all of that, on the top you should be seeing this view right here. Just simply select it, and now once you're on the view, here you should be seeing extensions right here. So you can just simply select that, or you can just simply select Explorer and then select extension. So once that is done, your extension should open up right here. So uninstalling your extension is super simple. What you need to simply do is, here you should be seeing install right here. Just simply select that, and here you should be seeing your install extensions. Now in order to uninstall it, you can just simply select uninstall right here. And once you've selected that, your extension should be uninstalled. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.